Hello students. Today we are doing a word problem on ratio. So let's read the word problem. There are 180 jelly beans in a tin. The ratio of the number of orange jelly beans to the number of green jelly beans is 10:2. How many orange jelly beans are there? What do you have to find out? The orange jelly beans. Now, what will you do in this question? The answer is very simple. You have to compare the two beans, orange jelly beans with the green jelly beans. What is the ratio given first? For orange, it is 10, and for green, it is 2. 10:2. What will you do with these two ratios? You will simply add up the two ratios. Okay? Add them up. And in the beginning of the question, it says there are 180 jelly beans in a tin. So, how many jelly beans were altogether in the tin? There were 180. Okay? So, they have asked you only a question on how many orange jelly beans are there. Okay? So, in this case, we will take 10 as our numerator, the orange jelly beans, and what will become the denominator? 12. The total is going to become the denominator. How many jelly beans are there? Total number of the jelly beans in the tin are 180. What will you do here? It's multiplication of fractions. What will you do here? 10 upon 12, multiply it by 180. When you will simplify the answer, you will get 150 orange jelly beans. Okay? And the leftover, of course, what do you think? They haven't asked you a question on green jelly beans, but just to ask you guys, in case if you were asked about green jelly beans, what would the answer be? The simple thing is to minus 180 with minus 150 with 180, and the leftover beans will be your green jelly beans. So 180 minus 150 will give you 30 green jelly beans. Although this was not asked in the question, but to just add to your information, just to add to your knowledge, I have just given you an idea to minus the two figures. 180 is the total number of the two beans, and since you've got the answer for orange jelly beans, that is 150. So when you minus 180, uh, uh, 180 by 150, it will give you the remaining figure, which is going to go into your green jelly beans. Is that clear? All right. Now we are moving on to the new question, the next question of the similar type. It is a similar type of question that you have already done right now. There are 60 fish in an aquarium. The ratio of the number of angelfish to the number of goldfish is 11:9. How many angelfish are there? Now have a look at this question. You have to compare two fish, angelfish, which is 11, and goldfish, which is 9. Now what will you do? You will add up 11 and 9 all together, which will give you 20. The total will be 20 of the two fish. So since they have asked you to find out the total number of angelfish, so you're going to take the amount of fish which is there in the angelfish. How many fish, angelfish are there? 11. What will you do here? Add up the two ratios and do it the same way the way you did it before. 11 upon 20 multiplied by 60. It's the multiplication of fraction. And when you will simplify, you will get 33 angelfish. All right. So it means out of 60 fish, total fish, there are 33 angelfish. What do you think the remaining part will be? The remaining part will be 60 minus 33. So what will you get? we will get 27. Okay, so say 27, when you subtract these two figures, you get 27 goldfish. There is another way of doing the same thing, although this goldfish was not asked in the question. But if in case, you should be knowing your word problems very well. Okay, so if goldfish was there, then you will do the same way, 9 upon 20 and then multiply it by 60, simplify it the same way as shown to you. Okay, and make sure that you practice more. Okay, your perfection can only come with practice. So always make sure that you keep a notebook. All right, now I'll be sharing the third word problem. So let's get ready with the third one. Now, the last question. The ratio of men to women in a club was 5:7. There were 100 men. Now the questions are, the first question, how many women were there in the club? And the second one is, how many total members were there? So first you need to know that what is the ratio of men and women. All right. So there are 5 men and 7 women. The figure for men is already given. There are 100 men. Okay. So if there are 100 men, then how many women would be there? So you compare 5 with 100. So what do you think you multiplied that 5 with to get 100? You multiplied it by 20 to get 100. So when you multiplied 5 by 20, then you're going to do the same thing with women here. 7 times 20. Multiply both the figures by 20. So 7 times 20 is giving us 140. 140 women, we've got the answer, and 100 men is already given to us. The second question is asking how many total members were there. So total members means the number of men and the number of women. So the number of men is 100 and the number of women is 140. When you add them up together, you will get 240. Now students, we are done with the word problems and ratios, and I would like every one of you to come prepared to school, and we will be having a short test very soon. And always remember, keep revising. Without revising, you will never catch up. So make sure that you revise whatever is given to you. The video lectures are a great help to you all. So make sure you revise everything that is given in the lecture and also concentrate in class. All right, so I wish you the best of luck with the upcoming test. Bye for now. Have a good day.